Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm here in front of you guys with a totally different video. That is, I'm gonna unbox and review the 42-in-1 accessories combo for GoPro SJCAM or any other action camera that you have. So let's get started. Wait. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below. So let's start.
You're a superhero.
Many of you might have invested more on these action cameras and you guys won't be ready to invest further on these expensive accessories. So I thought of getting a cheaper accessories for you guys and show the quality of the product as well. If you guys like the product and if you want to buy the product, then I'll put the link of the product in the description box below. So let's start the unboxing. So let me put this. Okay, there is another pack. Let me cut this as well. Let me put this aside. Okay, let's see what's in this. Let me keep it aside. This car mount. Yeah, it's a car mount. Sticky mount. You just need to open it like this. Then lock it. You can use it on your cars. Okay. What do you have next? Okay, this is the clip mount, and you can use it on your bags as well. You just need to open it up and put it in your bags and lock it, and it will work fine. Okay, so we have two flat mounts and 3M tapes for those. And then okay, this is a J mount. Okay, there's another J mount. Okay, this is the tripod mount. Tripod mount. You can use it on your tripods. Okay, this is the normal buckle mount that you can use. Okay, now this extension mount, I guess, usually used on your helmets. Good, looks good. Like you can't just remove it like how you remove these. They have screwed it here. You need to open up the screw to remove everything. You can use this on your helmets. It will work good. Looks good. Okay, I have 3 long screws. Okay. Okay, this is a wrist mount with a 360-degree rotating thing. You can just put it in like that. And you can keep it like this. See, it rotates as well. You can lock it like this. If you place it like this, then you can lock it. That's it, it's locked. You can't move that. Then if you want to unlock this, press it from here, it's unlocked. You can rotate it again. Okay, this is good. Let me keep it here. What do I have here? I think this is the helmet strap mount. Yeah, you can put this on your bicycle helmets. You get this for your bicycle helmets. Okay. These are just the straps, you know. Extra straps, I could say that. Extra straps. See, extra straps. Okay, these are the curved mounts. Curved mounts with 3M tapes. 2 curved mounts. Now this is good. Floating mount. See, it's floating mount, it's good. Got one more screw here, long screw. This is a handlebar mount. One handlebar mount. One, how do you say this? You can use it as an extender. External mount. One more we have extenders. 2 more screws for this. I think this for the safety purpose. When you put your camera on the front of your car or anywhere else, there is a 3M tape for this as well. What's this? I think only is a helmet mount. Yeah, this is a helmet mount. Even this is usually used in bicycle helmets. Okay, to hold tight on the helmets, they have given something like this. You can see this, they have given something like this. It will hold stiff on the helmets. Let me keep it aside. Then what have we got here? One more extender, another screw, another extender, one more buckle mount, one more extender. Okay, we have got long extender here. We will keep it here for long extenders. These one are these for these. Okay. So monopod, I could say this is a monopod or a selfie stick. Doesn't look like a good quality. You can't trust on these. Okay, let me get it here. Okay, this is the last one. Chest mount, you can place it on your chest. It's like more like a vest. You can wear it like a vest and use it. You can place the camera here. Okay, that is all for now. So that's it guys. As I told you, I got almost 42 items in this package and all looks good. Okay kind of a thing. And I am really disappointed about the selfie stick because the quality of the selfie stick isn't that good. I expected something else for this. Yeah, but still worth for the price. I paid almost 1199 for all this. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Signing out, the Throttler. Stay home, stay safe. See you until next video.